going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. Going to show you how to make money with Fetch Rewards. It's a receipt scanning app. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use and how easy it is to accumulate points and cash out. So I have a receipt here that I'm going to scan. So I'll just basically push this camera icon at the bottom and just making sure I'm taking a full picture of the receipt and make sure everything is in there, the store, the total, the date, all that kind of good stuff. Once all three of them are checked green, I can click submit and then just wait for them to credit me my points. So let me do that. And you see there, I got 325 points for that. Complete any receipt, 300 point bonus, and then 25 points for every receipt that you scan. So, I mean, you won't always get the 300 points, but, you'll get them, periodically. I would say like, once every 2 days. So let me do another one just to show you. Again, just making sure the full picture of the receipt is shown. Get all the way in there. Make sure all the store, the total, the date, all that's green before you submit it. That way you don't have any problems getting credited. And there, I got 25 points. So, most of the time, if you just scan any receipt, you're going to get at the very least 25 points. You can get more. I'll show you that a little later in the video, how you can get more points, with receipts. But just another receipt here because I got 3 that's want to, kind of get rid of. So I might as well get points for these before I throw them away. So, again, submit it, and 25 points again. So, I mean, like I said, minimum 25 points. The way you get more points is if you scan things they have on the app. They'll have different things you can buy, like, things like this for 1,000, 3,000, pizza, 1,500 points. If you buy these kind of things, you'll get more points, and you're able to cash out faster. And also, if you're shopping with different brands that they have, you can kind of categorize it. They got bacon, all these different brands you can use. Different beverages that you can choose from. All of these things will get you more points when you're taking pictures of your receipt, breakfast cereal, all that kind of good stuff. I mean, so there's something in here for everybody. The different retailers you can go to as well. You know what I'm saying? So you can really accumulate points. So now I want to show you the rewards section, what you can get for your points. Down here, they got different restaurants you can choose from. And click on that, show you like all the different restaurants, and they basically start out at like $5. So some of them are 10, but pretty much the minimum to cash out on this app is $5. Just variety of different ways. These are all the restaurants that you can choose from. This is the entertainment, movie theaters, Hulu, stuff like that. They also have cash cards, Visa cards you can choose from. That's a minimum of $5 for doing that one. They also have travel. You can buy flights with this as well. So, like I said, there's something for everybody in here. Different ways you can cash out. Like I said, you need a minimum of $5, which really comes out to about 6,000 or 7,000 points, just depending on, what they have going on. But, so, some of the cards, say minimum for, $5 cash out of 6,000. Some of them will say 7,000, depending on how you're cashing out. As far as like if it's a restaurant, it's a Visa gift card. So just kind of look at them before you cash out. That way you can make sure, you're getting the right value for whatever you're cashing out with. So like I said, it's a very easy app to use. All you do is just basically take a picture of every receipt. The minimum you'll get is 25 points for every receipt. And then, like I said, if you're shopping and buying different brands or, things they specifically put on the app, you can really get your points up higher. You know what I'm saying? So I'll leave the link to download this in the description. Very easy. Get paid to scan your receipts. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies1000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.